Hi there, I'm Mr. Adam, one of the instructors at Prodigy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a video using nothing but a tablet or your phone. The first thing you need is something you wouldn't guess. It's actually good lighting. I've got lights clipped all around the room, and I've even got a lamp on, and I've also got natural light coming from outside the window. Here's how I look with the lights on, and here's how I look with the lights off. So be creative. Find a bunch of different light sources that you can set up around you so that you just look brighter. The second thing you need to do is to plan your shots. I find it helps to draw out in little boxes what you're gonna film. Each little shot should be about 3 to 10 seconds, and this is how you're gonna map out the whole video. The third thing you need to do is to now film each shot 3 times. Each shot at least 3 times. Each shot at least 3 times. See what I just did? The fourth step is to go back and look at everything you just filmed, and you're going to pick the best version of each shot. Then you can delete everything else. Hi there, I'm Mr. Adam, and that one's not any good. Let's delete it. Step 5 is to import your clips into a video editor app. For Apple users, you're just going to use iMovie. Step 6 is to trim the edges of your shots. You don't want any dead time. If people get bored, they're just going to go do something else. Most movie editor apps make it really easy for you to trim the front or the back end of any of your shots. The last thing you're going to do is make a cover image. This is going to be the preview you see when you look up the video on YouTube. What I did is I went back to the beginning where I'm holding the phone up and I hit pause on it. Then I took a screenshot and now I'm going to trim the edges so that it's the right size. Then I'm going to open up Photoshop Express. It's a free app that I use for photo editing. And that's how I'm gonna put my text on it. And that's how you make a video. See you next time.